Now next chapter number 12. Now we are going to discuss about the chapter number 12, food from plants. Which food we get from plants? There are two types of food. First see chapter name, food from plants. So there are two types. There are two sources of food. First is plants, then second is animals. Then we get many food from plants like rice, wheat, and from animals we also get food like meat. Okay, then most of the food we eat comes from plants, like we eat roots, flowers and stems of the plant. So there are Philips are given to you here and options are given, then you can fill the right option in the Philip. First Philip is seeds of some plants like rice and wheat are called dash. Options are here, cereals and pulses. Then write correct one. First cereals, cereals. Then second, we eat dash of carrot. We eat the root or stem. We eat carrots root. Then write root in Philip. Then third one, cashew is a dash, fruit or nut. Cashew is a nut. Then fill nut, N-U-T. Then fourth one, we eat dash of potato. We eat the fruit or stem of potato. Stem. We eat the stem of potato. Then fill here stem. Then fifth one, we eat leaves of dash, cabbage and peas. We eat the leaves of cabbage, C-A-B-B-A-Z-E. Then sixth one, we eat flowers of dash, flowers of broccoli, B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I. Then seventh one, clove is a dash, nut or spice, S-P-I-C-E. Then eighth one, dash is an oil giving plant. Which is the oil giving plant? Mustard or sugarcane? Mustard oil. Then fill here mustard, M-U-S-T-A-R-D. Then ninth one, cucumber and tomato are dash, fruits or vegetables. Options are here. Then these two are fruits. Then 10th one, almond and walnuts are dash, dry fruits or dry vegetables. That are dry fruits. So write here dry fruits. So these are the Philips. You can fill these options, right options in your book. Now we can discuss about the chapter number 13, that is about computer word. So chapter number 13, computer word. This chapter is related to computer. First you can remember in your mind that Charles Babbage is known as a father of the computer. Keep this name in your mind, Charles Babbage. Then here are different parts are given. Computers different parts are given. First is printer. First part is printer. Then second part is CPU. Then third one is mouse. Then fourth, keyboard. Then fifth one is CD that is used. So these are the parts, and here some points are given. So you can match these points with the parts and write the write the number in correct number in box. First A option. It processes the data and send result, which is used to process data and send results. Second part, CPU. So fill in first box 2, CPU. First here write A and fill 2 in first box. Then B. It gives output on a sheet of paper and called printout. Which part gives printout? Printer. Printer is used for printout. Then fill here E 1. Fill here 1. Then C. It is used for sorting text, pictures and games, etc. Which is used, that is storing text, pictures and games. We use CD for this, for storing. Then fill here 6. Then next D. We type letters and numbers with its help. with the help of a keyboard we type the numbers and letters. So fill here D 4. Then E. We click it to move the cursor and objects on a screen, which we use to move. We use mouse. So write here 3 in box 3. Then next F. It looks like a television that displays our work, which looks like a television screen, monitor. Then fill here 5th 5 1. So this is about computer word. Next 14th chapter. Next is 14th chapter, days and time. Days and time. So here the month, October month calendar is given here. So and all the things are given. 2nd October is a Gandhi Jayanti and 7th October is a Rohit's birthday. 23rd October Komal's birthday. Then here some questions are asked. You can fill right answer in box. First question is, if a week begins on Monday, which is the last day of the week? So you can write here in a box which is the last day of the week. Sunday. Write here Sunday. Then second, on which day does Rohit's birthday fall? Here date is given 7th October and you can search out the week. Then on Saturday. Right here Saturday. Then third, how many days make a fortnight? 14 days. 14 days make a fortnight. Then fourth, how many days are there in a year? How many days are in a year? 365 days. Then fifth one, which month comes after the month of April? Which month comes, students? May. Right here May. Then sixth, Wednesday comes after Tuesday, but before which day? Then write here Thursday. Which day comes? Thursday. Then seventh, on which day does Komal's birthday fall? Komal's birthday is on Monday. Then write here Monday. Eighth one, how many months have 30 days in a year? 4 months. You can search out 4 months have a 30 days in a year. So this is about the days and time. Then next chapter 15. Next chapter is 15, that is name is year around us. Year around us. We need year to live. So here is activity. Write W for the things that need air to work and L for the things that need air to live. W and L. write W for the things that need air to work, need air to work, air to work, and L for the that need air to live, air to live. So first is of picture of one boy, so boy, and then second picture is of rabbit, and third picture is of flower. These three pictures need air to live, so need air to live. Then write there L. In box you can write L. Three boxes in boy's picture, and then rabbit picture, then flower picture, you can write L. Then next picture is of windmill and one picture is of boat. These two things need air to work, then write W. That need air to work, then write there in box W. So this you can learn these chapters at your home. Thank you. Have a nice day.